Hey y'all, it's your girl Khadijah House of Glitter, and we are back with another drink video. I need to give y'all a makeup video, okay? But quick, simple margarita cocktail for a classy day. Just to impress your guests or just to be chill with you and your lover inside. Yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, y'all. So today we are back with another voiceover because my background is so ghetto and so loud. But anyway, we're going to start with our ice. We have some short cocktail glasses. We have our cocktail shaker. We have some blueberry syrup that we made. I'll get into that later. We have some bar syrup. Okay, bar syrup. We have some lime juice. It's not 100% lime juice. Like, it's not really, really tart. It probably is of a concentrate, basically. And I have my Maestro de Bell. That's the tequila that I'm using. So the way I made my blueberry syrup, I took the blueberries and bar syrup and basically just put them in a pot and let that mixture just boil. And then once it boiled, I reduced it and let it simmer and let it thicken up and let it get all rich and creamy and thick. And then I tasted it and I was like, okay, it's ready. Tasted it is not a word. Anyway, so now we are rhyming. What is wrong with me tonight? I'm so sleepy. Just got off from work. Now we are taking the lime and we are wetting the rim of the short cocktail glasses. I'm going to dip it in salt. Not really a big fan of tequila and salt mixed together. Just never been my preference. Always like a sweet or a sweet and tangy tequila drink or shots or just mixed period. I don't like the salt. Maybe I should have took the bar syrup or I should have took the blueberry and then put it with the salt, but I didn't like it. Only reason why I did it for presentation wise, and this is a copycat recipe of my girl Shaton B. Okay, because she make the best drinks, and this is just her drink with a twist. Okay, her blueberry margarita with a twist. So now we have our cocktail shaker and we are going to get ready on our mix. So I'm just putting a little bit of ice, not a lot of ice because I'm going to fill the glasses up with ice anyway. So just a little bit of ice just to, keep that drink, chilled. And I'm going to take 3 to 4 tablespoons of the blueberry syrup mix. This is your taste preference. If you like sweet and, sour or sweet and tangy, then you can add, 4 of each, like 4 of the blueberry syrup and 4 of the lime juice. But this is your, your taste preference. I like sweet and a little something that make me smack my lips, like a little sour. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and add some bar syrup just to give it a little bit more, just to bring that blueberry out in the drink a little bit more. Okay. And there I go, add another because I'm like, I love me some blueberry. Now I'm going to take some lime juice, hit it with the lime juice, baby. Baby girl. Okay. Just to bring that tartness out of it. And I'm going to take that half a lime that we use and I'm just going to squeeze all of that juice out there, okay? Just to make it a little bit more tart. I just like my sweet and tart. It's so good like that. I feel like tequila drinks are supposed to be sweet and tart. That's just my opinion. So you don't have to follow me. You don't have to listen to me. But just make it, how you want to make it, So yeah. Now I'm going to hit it with our Maestro de Bell. I actually like this tequila. Never heard of it until recently. And I was like, oh, I just picked it up at the store. And it was like on sale. And I was like, oh, let me try this. And then I did. So it was really, really good. So yeah, we're just going to fill that up. This drink was really, really strong. But it was so good. Like, I don't know. It's just like you could taste everything. Like the lime, the tequila, the blueberry, like you could just taste it all. It was so good. So now I'm going to just add a little bit of that blueberry mix with like a little bit of like those, what are they called? Like those little mashed bits of blueberry, like the little chunks of blueberry. I just want to put at the bottom. And then we're going to shake the drink back and forth. Then we're going to fill our glasses with ice, y'all. Oh, my God. Like, when I poured this, I was like, oh, my God, this is so pretty. Like, I thought I was at, like, Four Seasons or something. Like, I thought I was working at Four Seasons, like, bartender. Like, baby girl, somebody need to hire me, okay? I do want to get my bartender license in the future. Okay, we'll get into that story time. soon. But yeah, fill those glasses up with that ice, baby girl. Because when you add that drink, honey, I love this part. Like, just watch. Just watch. Yes, ma'am. Like, look at that color. Like, look. And the salt, just like that salt on the rim just makes it. Yes, ma'am, Pam. Like, now watch when I add them. Add my little lime slices, okay? My little rounds, because you know we do the rounds. The rounds make it really pop. Yeah, and honey, watch that, watch it, watch it. I ain't even done with it yet, because y'all think that's, y'all like, oh yeah, that's it. Honey, I'm going to pop some blueberries on, child. What restaurant? So, there you have it, my blueberry margarita. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave me a like. Comment down in the description box below and tell me if you like this recipe. And please, please, please subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.